Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today we are using up the leftovers from my last canvas, which turned out beautifully. I've got the King's Blue, the Ultramarine Violet and Iridescent White. This one is made up of the scrapings, which included all three colours plus some ultramarine blue and some phthalo blue and some deep violet. So that's turned out sort of into a blue purpley colour. Because I'm not sure if I have enough paint, I've made up some Carmine from Amsterdam. I haven't used this one yet. And if I get desperate, I've got some old Mauve, which is Mont, but I'm not sure what's mixed in with this one. So we're doing a swipe, small canvas. Let's get started. I've added, because these have been sitting a few days, I've added some of the pouring medium to them. Oh, the colours look pretty. Right, let's get our swipe ready. I think we're going to go through here, straight through the middle. So this swipe mix is Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol. Got 1 part of the Amsterdam and 3 parts Aussie Floetrol. Colours going through. Let's give this a tilt. Oh, postman was just here. Had to run and grab it. Alright, let's get back to this tilting. Is the camera still going? Yes, okay. I'm hoping most of this magenta, old mauve will tip off. So I'm just trying to make sure I get these sides nice. Well, we definitely got some nice lacing again. It's all up the top. So I might just this way, just get it to stretch out a bit that way. I'm going to get a big strip of iridescent through there and there and there, so that might actually make it quite nice. This composition is starting to look a bit better. Wasn't looking quite right. So even though I can't see it moving, it must be. I actually forgot to check whether I'd done this level. Alright, so we'll leave it like that, I think. Not bad for a little one. And I'll bring you in to have a look at it wet. Alright, so here it is wet, and I think I've probably already pointed most of the stuff out, that we've got the iridescent white underneath this lacing here. This is iridescent white going through the middle over the red, and then we've got the iridescent white up here as well. With the lacing is, I'm just doing really well with it now. It's working every time, touch wood. So this is quite interesting, this through here. It's a little bit different. So I think we'll just have to wait for it to dry and see how the iridescent white comes out. I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. Now let's have a look at the shine first. Look at that. Love it. This one I want to call my superhero piece because of the reds and blues which you find in like Superman or Spiderman. And of course it's got the webbing of Spiderman. Like I reckon you could paint a black spider in the middle, and yeah. Anyway, up here we have some cracking. Now this could be easily filled with some white paint, but I always want to learn from these things, and I think the reason was, if you have a look closely, I'll try and zoom you in digitally, it's red underneath, and I'd say that is the old Mauve, which was a Mont paint, which was underneath, and then the rest rolled over the top of it. And I'd say that's the reason it cracked, because it hasn't cracked anywhere else. Like here it's all good. But yeah, this is a cute little one. I like it. Look at that shine. Quite like the iridescent white. Really gives it a little bit of something. So that's it for that one, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a like, that would be great. And I will see you all in the next one. I'm going to be doing something a little different, still a swipe, but I'm gonna load the palette knife with the paint. I haven't done that before, so if you want to see how I go with that, join me in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.